Hello friends, today we will continue on with Intex Mariner 3 improvements and customizations. I got this Scotty fish finder mount or sonar mount. It's suitable for kayaks and small boats. The exact number is Scotty 141, and it includes basically an adjustable arm, slip disc to adjust the angle of the sonar, and this gearhead to attach any accessory with a post. And it came with this particular one came with track, a 4-inch track. The track model number is 440-4. If you search on Scotty website for this one, you're not gonna actually find this exact number. I think they labeled them with 440B, and then they put the extension 4. So if you just search for 440, they should come up with a 1-inch and 4-inch, and I believe also 8-inch version. But this kit comes with a 4-inch, and I hope that will work for me. We'll see how actually this routing goes. So this will be a little project for me to do, because I do not actually have any surface to on a boat to screw this on. So I'm gonna be doing some additional customizations in order to install this. It's supposed to be really adjustable, and let's hope that at the end it works for my boat. I wanted to do some unboxing here and just help anybody who is trying to make a decision if this is for them. When I looked at the description of the item, basically in all catalogs they give you this picture, and to me, from these parts, when I look at them, it's not really clear where is this part for that actually mounts this joint here. So I was just hoping that will work out, but it was never really described anywhere. So I'll just open this up and we can go through the parts and see what comes inside. Yes, I did open this a little bit, but it's pretty much an exact shape as purchased. So I believe this is an actual transducer mount that comes onto the gearhead adapter. There is a set of fasteners for the track. This is the track to attach to any kind of boat. However, I don't think I will be using these, simply because they are, tapping screws or meant for plastic. I think I will end up using machine screws, similar size. And a 4-inch track. So this is the option I opted for. There is another model, I believe it's Scotty 140, that would come with regular side mount, but with that option I think I just didn't want it, because I would be limited to having just basically transducer mounted, and there would be no place to mount an actual transmitter sonar. So I opted with this one because of the gearhead adapter. All right, next thing up is another adjustable part of the transducer arm. So that will be this part there. Let's see what else. Okay, there it is. So this is the reason I opted for this kit, because this will allow me to mount the transducer as shown and put a universal mount, which I already have, which is this Scotty 368, and just plug it in, and then I would have a sonar and a transducer all in one line ready to go. So yeah, as you can see it on the picture, it's not clear that they actually provide this attachment for the track as well for the transducer mount, but yeah, I was pretty confident they provided something, so that should work. That's track. Yeah, no, this should work eventually. Our problem will be obviously mounting that an inflatable boat, but we'll get to it when we get to it. Next one up. Oh yeah. So these are transducer arm fasteners. So we better not lose this. There are fasteners, and there are some additional pieces to actually mount the transducer arm. Perfect. So what else is here? Okay, slip discs. So these are the slip discs. Actually, not 100% sure how this works. I think what they're doing, like, because they're so these are rubberized a little bit, I would say. I think they actually, the way they're designed, see, this one is even more flexible. I think if you use like normal disc that would come on any rod mount, once you tighten that, basically that's it. Like, you have to untighten it to adjust it. But I think I'm hoping this slip disc is just gonna allow it to, you know, you can just use your hand to move the arm instead of to quickly adjust the arm instead of messing with the screws and stuff like that. Anyways, we'll see how that works. And yeah, we got this screw for, I guess, tightening the slip discs onto the carrier here. Okay, and last but not least, I guess at some point we should read this manual. It tells you how it all gets assembled. So here is the gearhead. Come the parts. This part, basically this is already assembly. That's nice. Pre-manufactured already, so pretty happy with that. And then I guess the arm mounts with this like knob. Those parts help with attaching the second part of the arm. And yeah, the additional parts, I suppose, they're in here, so you're gonna have to work this through as it comes. But anyways, this is the whole manual. And we'll probably at one point go through the process of assembling this, but for right now, this is unboxing. Scotty 141.